So we'll meet up with people and they come inside, and that's always kind of a shock.
She is affectionately named Debbie Gibson. When I first bought it, the amount of work was really undershot. Yeah. And then when I got into it, I was just like, oh my gosh.
She was glorious. So she was all golden oak, forest green carpet. The walls were white with pink and teal splatter paint.
From this corner to this corner behind me, the whole wall was rotten. So I had to take out the whole side, the windows, all the cabinetry, the bed, the seat here, stick by stick, just reframe the thing as we went and put it all back together. Once that was in, I waterproofed the whole floor, put down some vinyl plank flooring, and then painted everything white enamel.
Doesn't look like Debbie Gibson anymore. This is more, I don't know who the current people are listening to anymore, but named Debbie Gibson.
The faucet was super ugly, so Randy and I searched high and low and found this one at IKEA, nice. Which was a bit of a beast to plumb in, but my hero did it. Oh. Randy added in the subway tile, which is actually a PVC kind of wallpaper.
It looks great though.
Yeah, it's a perfect use. All the essentials for camping, including your glow sticks and your wine glasses. So, full flushing toilet and shower. We don't actually use the shower that much, but it does store watermelons perfectly along with the chips.
So the shower was, you can see it looks brand new, but it was that faded yellow, you know, just kind of how plastic does over the years. But this is just straight white appliance epoxy paint from Home Depot, off the shelf, and you can spray that stuff on your plastics and your appliances, obviously, and whatever else, and it just turns out super smooth, super brand new.
This is a kid's domain. They love these spaces because when they lay down, they can't see each other.
How many people can you sleep in this?
7.
Wow.
There's 4 of us, plus 2 dogs, so we all fit, you know, normally, but the back area has drop-down bunks that we could add kids, and then there's cabinet above the dinette that could add another person too. Right.
How much of the stuff lives in here that you don't have to pack up? Has it made it easier to go on a trip?
Yeah, it's like you're packing your food and your clothes.
So let me ask you this, guys. What kind of expertise, let's say someone watching this wants to do this, what's it take if you've never done it before? What do you need to know?
If you found one where all the bones were good, where you didn't have to get in to the walls and everything like I did, but you can, refrigerators and RV appliances, those are things that you can just buy, take one out, put a new one in without relatively a bunch of information. Certainly things you could YouTube and figure out how to do on your own without having to hire somebody. There are some technical things. You don't want to get into the wiring or the gas lines or that kind of stuff. But you know, relatively, if it's just flooring and paint and changing out knobs and stuff, that's the majority of people that I think can do it.
The paint can peel, the glass can shatter, but if the bones and the structure of it are in good shape, then all it needs is just a little love. And maybe a husband who's willing to put in the excessive amount of hours to do it.